how to change USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. So if you want to change your USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet, then first you just need to open up your Trust Wallet application and then make sure to log into your wallet with your provided password or fingerprints, or you just need to simply log into your account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you just need to tap on the Swamp tab, which is on the bottom left. Once you tap on Swamp here, you will have two options. So if you want to change your USDT to TRX, then on the first option, you just need to choose USDT. So you can simply tap on that and then you will have the options. You just need to simply choose USDT, or you can also search and choose that. Once you've chosen, you can go for the second and again tap on it and then choose TRX. Once you've chosen, you need to simply enter the amount, and once you've done, you just need to simply tap on OK, which is on the bottom of your screen, or the continue option, which will be on the bottom of your screen. But if this doesn't work, then the second way is you need to go back to your home page and go for browser option, which is on the bottom right hand side corner, and then go for search, and you need to simply search for Pancake Swap. Once you search for the Pancake Swap, you need to make sure that your wallet is selected. In order to check it, you just have to tap on the upper right or the wallet button and you'll be able to see it. And once you have your wallet, now you need to select the currency and then you need to select USDT, and after that you will have to select the TRX. So in the to section, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button and then you will be able to select the TRX. After selecting TRX, tap on the swap, or you need to simply enter an amount that you would like to swap, and after that you will be able to swap. So that's how you can change your USDT to TRX in your Trust wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.